This is a 1953 Lincoln Cosmopolitan four-door sedan. It's a little rough, as you will see. Paint's in fairly good condition. It's light tan and brown combination. The chrome's in good condition. And it's a four-door post sedan. Under the hood is a 317 cubic inch engine with 205 horsepower. Fender skirts, wide white walls. Interior looks pretty nice. Looks original fabric, I do believe. And notice the power windows. The car has automatic transmission. You can see the quadrant there and the on top of the steering column. But there's one aspect of this car that I wouldn't have, I'll tell you, and I'll show you why. You might have noticed the driver's side mirror, I don't believe is original. Doesn't seem to fit in with the car. It's for sale, if you saw there on the back window. And the aspect that I don't like is this Continental kit that extends way far out. It really looks like an add-on, and I think it detracts from the car. The first thing I'd do would be to take that off, but that's me. Some Continental kits seem to blend in fairly well and others don't, and this one, in my book, doesn't. There's where the aerial should be, I do believe. And again, another aftermarket side view mirror. But overall, the car, overall it looks good.